Hey guys, back to another video. Oh, Thanos! It's Thanos! Thanos. We're playing high school. This is the sequel. A sequel to camping, okay? Oh, look, our arm is out of the bus. Welcome aboard. Hope you had a nice camping trip. My name is Mike, and I'll be driving you back to school. Let's go. My name is Milk, okay? His name is Milk. Yeah! Milkity, milkity. Hi, Milk. In your desk. My house looks so dull. And just here. Hello. Hi. Hey, stop it. Billy Boop, you. Hello, Billy Boop. Ah, run! Run like the wind, peoples. Oh my gosh, it's here! No. Oh god. Gosh, it scared me. Good. Oh yeah, I have my ducky. I don't think I can put it on yet. I really don't like trying. I'm trying to explain. No time to explain. Now I found something. The door is locked. Locker. Gosh! Somebody put on some clothes, dude. Just because you're the devil doesn't mean you can't have clothes on. Phew! Run, 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 best you can. Oof! Hey guys, can you oof for me? Please like this video. Hey guys, subscribe and like this video. Smash the like button for that fact. Or maybe roll over it with a bus. Ooh! The person is like the same skin. First, it actually does look good. So, ooh. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna wrap up this video. I know it's really short. Okay, fine. Convince me. I'll do another one. Hey, don't leave. Hey, I know you're gonna leave. Don't leave. Stop leaving. Stop leaving. Stop leaving. Sorry, that was my cats. I am family approved. No, I'm parent approved. Parent approved. Ah! He's evil. This guy's evil. Just to tell you, this guy's evil. He's the monster. I finished the game already. Until I finished, so I finished Field Trip. Which we're gonna be doing next. These will be uploaded, Field Trip and High School are gonna be uploaded around the same time. This is High School, by the way. Get to the door. No! I do want the Nintendo animation. But I gotta let people. Oh, maybe my next scene when I look. Hello! Bunny back home. Dot, dot, dot. Run! Yay! We survived! I know, it's pretty scary. Did you see that guy? But I really want to show you the end of this one. It's so cool. He's gone! That's how you know! Milk's gone! No. Minster. Find it. Onward. Got your sister inside. We need to move and run. Hurry up. Oh. Oopity. Okay, I give up, people. Bye. I know this was a short video. Bye. Remember, like and subscribe. Oof.